Have you ever chased a crypto only to buy at the peak and watch your investment or trade plummet? Stop gambling and start investing and trading like a professional. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the secret steps that professionals use to assess if they should get in or not. No more FOMO, fear of missing out, no more panic, just strategic, calm, and profitable trading and investing. Stay tuned, it's going to be fantastic. The crypto market has come up 0.21% in the past 24 hours. The greatest gainers top 100, Compound, 1 inch, Lunacy, Synthetics, Doge, ARB, Gala, Maker, and Flow. The greatest losers top 100 past 24 hours, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, FXS, Fracshare, Aave, Phantom, XDC, eCash, LDO, and Conflux. Looking at the crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is pretty much the same as it was yesterday, just a slight bit down. Ethereum pretty much the same. The meme coins are not doing too badly at all. We're seeing the first signs of green in GameFi. DeFi's looking quite interesting. Compound and 1 inch have come up quite substantially. Synthetics and Maker are also looking fairly interesting. Before looking at Compound's chart, it's important to know what it is. In crypto and every other financial market, you must do your own research. Compound is a decentralized finance or DeFi protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies. Comp is an ERC20 token that gives its owners the ability to delegate voting rights to any address, including their own. Comp tokens are not mineable. Only the Compound Labs team issues new Comp tokens. Every day, 2,800 new coins are released. These newly issued tokens are then distributed equally amongst borrowers and lenders. The total supply of Compound coins is 10 million. The Compound protocol is a series of decentralized interest rate markets that allow users to supply and borrow Ethereum tokens at variable interest rates. Rule 239, CTKS structure overrides. Smart money investors and traders always understand objective dynamic market structure or CTKS structure. They gain an understanding of the market pulse. They don't simply zoom into one chart, as that one chart depends on so many different ones. Unfortunately, people are not trained to look at the market pulse. Two vital charts that you need to look at when it comes to crypto and understanding where Compound could go are total crypto market cap and Bitcoin. These are both Tier 1 charts in the CTKS method monthly service. The first thing that we need to understand when it comes to total crypto market cap is the market currently at support, and if it's at support, that would mean we would expect a technical bounce up. If it's at resistance, we would expect a technical bounce down. Support means buy. Resistance means sell. But like everything, it's not as simple as that. CTKS structure is determined through the CTKS method, where we mark up all of price history. Here you can see total crypto market cap has been trading since 2014. Many people would be tempted to look at total crypto market cap in just this particular window, using recent indicative price and story-based analysis. Instead, we turn on the indicator from the service. What do we see here? Total crypto market cap is currently under resistance. Resistance is approximately $1.189 trillion. You can see there's a support level, but it's a weaker level. Thicker is better. More clustered is better and more effective. We can see total crypto market cap has support at that $1.16 trillion mark. We can see also that we've previously bounced from this lower support. We're trying to make our way up to resistance, but we've not got there yet. This is the first critical piece of information to know and to understand. An objective dynamic market structure means support and resistance is continuously changing. It's not static. The crypto market is a very fast-moving market. You can see right here, look how it's recently changed. The next thing we need to do is to look at objective dynamic market structure on Bitcoin. Bitcoin controls the direction and the movement of comp. Turning on the indicator from the CTKS method monthly service, we see that we've got resistance around that 30,412 and it's light, and light support around that 29,940 level. It very much looks like total. We are now stacking probabilities. We know that Bitcoin is under resistance. We know that total is under resistance. Now we need to look at comp. A very powerful way to look at comp is just to go up and press the plus icon, compare or add symbol on TradingView, and then just type comp USDT. And now we're going to pick this on a new price scale. What we're seeking to do here is to understand how comp is moving in gravitational alignment with Bitcoin. We can see that we've had a bit of an inversion here, and we know from previous shots of different websites that the shorts were absolutely crushed on comp. When short sellers are liquidated, they become forced buyers. That pushes the price of comp up. Currently comp is 77.34. At first view, you may be tempted to say, Ken, this doesn't represent comp at all. What you actually do is that you need to zoom in. One really easy way to do this is just to press the A, just the automated, and then just pull it across. What you will actually find as you go deeper into the price action, and remember, this is a 1 minute chart, it is not a 5 minute chart. What you can see is comp moving with directional alignment with Bitcoin. Remember, 1 minute, not 5 minutes, not 15, not 4 hours. This is exactly why I showed you a 1 minute chart. You can see as Bitcoin is coming up, what is comp doing? It's coming up. What about this? What do we see? As Bitcoin is coming down, what is comp doing? It's coming down, but it's front running Bitcoin. Very, very fascinating to watch. And you can see the alignment is very, very solid. This is called directional correlation. If you're a long-term viewer, you know this very, very well because I talk about it all the time. Even though it looks different, it is the same. Please let me know in the comments what is the rule number to describe this phenomenon. The next step from here would be to go to comp's chart and mark it up with level 1 and level 2 standard certification in the CTKS method. The CTKS method is the world's most advanced smart money buy and sell level detection system that you can apply to any price chart. I showed you the total chart and the Bitcoin chart just before. Both of those have been marked up with level 1 and level 2 certification from the CTKS method. Level 1 certification gives you the fundamentals, it gives you the foundation of thinking. Level 2 CTKS method standard certification builds on everything that you've learnt with level 1 standard certification, and it allows you to draw those SLs, those Stanfield lines, and you can also form SCs or Stanfield zones. That's what detects where smart money will buy or sell. You can also learn level 1 and level 2 certification inside the CTKS masterclass. Members of the CTKS method monthly service, I would suggest that you create an 8-pane chart and just add your indicators, the Bitcoin, the ETH, the BNB, XRP, ADA, Doge, Solana, and total. We've looked at Bitcoin today and total today. What I've shown you are the indicators from inside the CTKS method service. You can notice that all of these different charts, even though they all follow Bitcoin's directional correlation, they are different. They have different fingerprints. There's a very specific reason for this, and the answer is CTKS structure. For example, recently XRP has had tremendous trouble getting above this particular level. Why is that? Because the CTKS structure is stopping the price getting above that 72.90 mark. There's a lot of overhead resistance there. If you don't have the indicator, you don't know this. There are 27 indicators inside the CTKS method service. Creating these 8-panel charts is a really good idea. I want to show you something specific on gold. When we turn on the indicator, you can notice that we had support around that 1939. And what did gold do? It just sprung up. Why did it spring up? Because there was a fresh air gap here. When you get fresh air gaps like that, they can get filled very, very quickly. Here are another 8 indicators from the CTKS method monthly service. Knowing where smart money is buying and selling is an incredibly powerful thing. And with the indicators, it takes you just seconds to add them to your charts, but it would take you many hours to mark them up otherwise. The rule that CTKS structure overrides is incredibly powerful. Members of the service, when you add your indicator to Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash also, you can actually explain the price action, what's happening right now. When you've identified a particular project that you want to get involved with, that you want to put your hard-earned money into, most people just rush out blindly and throw their money into the project. Professionals are very different. We make sure that we're getting in at the right price. Price is always moving in a wave. It's always going up and down and up and down. Even when price goes up substantially, it has retracements. These are the things that you need to be aware of. Returning quickly to gold's SLs or Stanfield levels, what you can see is these Stanfield levels act as support when price is above, act as resistance as price comes into it. If it's not going above, it's going below. And if there's fresh air like this, price can move up very, very quickly. The key in understanding these levels, these lines are called Stanfield levels or SLs. Inside our global community, more than 16,000 strong, we focus on investing and trading at lower SL levels or Stanfield levels. Steve and Mary Ellen said, "It's the weekend, buying incrementally at lower SL levels. I already know what price to buy at. No stress. I buy, it goes lower. I buy, repeat until it goes up, then sell at upper SL levels, repeat." By getting in synchronization with the market, it's literally a license to print money. Steve and Mary Ellen said, a few episodes ago, "I've been consistently trading the miners. You can easily get 10 to 18% gains in as few as a couple of days. I just keep on turning the same dollar amount over. I use the profits to then buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with limit orders based on lower and lower SLs determined from the service." Congratulations, my friend. In yesterday's video, TF Theta said, the analysis that the CTKS method provides is the X-ray vision of the market. LGRC01 said that Stanfield levels SLs are our life safety vest that keeps us above the market waves. Z3 in yesterday's video said, the SL lines are a game changer. In combination with good synchronization, I'm practically printing money. Also, from yesterday's video, TSP said, if you're undecided, invest in the CTKS method service. It will be a blessing for you. Doing Level 1 and Level 2 certification. You'll learn about Stanfield levels, Stanfield zones. You'll be able to master drawing and analyzing any price action for any asset, be it either in the traditional space, the stock markets, Forex, or the digital. You will be on the level of consulting cardiologist who specializes in reading ECG charts, and be a consultant in the trading and investing world of all assets. Consultants are paid very well, but they work very hard, which brings great rewards, physically and mentally. Thank you so much to everybody who commented in yesterday's video. It's just beautiful. I would like to thank Tales from the Man Cave for this incredible video. Making smarter investment and trading decisions is what the CTKS method service is all about. The beautiful thing, you get 27 indicators that you can overlay on your trading view. Investing and trading with confidence is a very important thing to do. The CTKS method with its SLs is a stress-free way of doing that, and it gives you an edge inside financial markets. If you're seeking to be more of a financial and emotional blessing to yourself and those you love, joining the service will really help you. Thank you, Tales from the Man Cave, and wishing everybody a fantastic weekend ahead. Bye for now.